This is Cullen with Textla, and today I'm going to show you how you can use our keywords feature to grow your contact base within the Textla platform. So to start, I'll show you how to create a new keyword by clicking this new keyword button in the top right corner. The first thing you're going to do is create your actual keyword. This is what your subscribers will text to you in order to join your SMS list. So for my example, I'll be using a gym that is creating a run club group. It's important to keep this keyword simple as to not overcomplicate the process. Next, if you have multiple phone numbers within Textla, you can toggle through those to choose which one you would like your subscribers to text. If you just have the one standard phone number, it will be auto-filled in here for you. You can also customize your auto confirmation message to have it say anything you'd like. Your subscribers will receive this message after they text the keyword to you. You can add emojis and multimedia to this auto confirmation message as well. Next, the message frequency is just a ballpark estimate of how many text messages your subscribers can expect to receive on a monthly basis. It is not majorly important as it is just an estimate. You can send above or below this number. You can also choose to add the subscribers to a specific group or a specific tag. For my example, I have a run club group previously created, so I will add the subscribers to that group. Lastly, you can set an expiration date if your keyword is time sensitive. And over here on the right, you'll see a little preview of your auto confirmation message. And you can also go ahead and send a test to your number to see exactly how your subscribers will see the message. So I'm going to go ahead and set this keyword live. As you'll see, that keyword hops right in here to my keywords page. And now I can show you how to edit a keyword. Go ahead and click on the keyword you want to edit, and you'll see this page. Up here at the top, there's an edit button. If you click that, you can edit the phone number that the keyword will be sent to. You can edit the auto confirmation message. You can edit the message frequency, and you can also change the group or tags that the subscribers are added to. If you would like to, you can also set an expiration date on the keyword. Again, you'll see a preview on the right-hand side to just make sure your changes are all good. I haven't made any, so I'll click cancel. You also have the option to pause a keyword if you're not currently using it and don't want people to text it. No worries. If you decide to use it again, you can also set it back live. Lastly, I'll show you how you can delete a keyword. So if you come over here, you'll see these three dots. You can click that and a drop-down menu will appear. The delete option at the bottom, if you click that, it will prompt you to double check and make sure this is the keyword you want to delete, as this is permanently deleted. As you can see, the keyword has been deleted, and now we are left with our main keywords page. Here you can just check the status of all your past keywords. You can see how many people have subscribed, how many people have opted out, and when you created them. So that's pretty much it with our keywords feature. Thanks for watching.